Well, I have the route to a fine terror, but I must have reward.
I have promised you my shillings when I shudder.
But give me only your fist, which I like not. One little misunderstanding and I'm thrashed for me pains. Compare us. You are blessed with great courage. I am cursed with a little cunning. I cheat for trifles, while you can move mountains. Is that fair, I ask you?
I'm sorry. Take my money. I've offended you.
No. I shall struggle on for nothing. We go to yonder castle where none survive a night.
So I will learn to shudder at last.
Now this castle they approach is a graveyard of hopes. The king driven out, the rooms abandoned. Only fools seek shelter there. For this is a troubled land and bad holds court. Look, there it is on the horizon. A place brooding.
Wait here. I should take things with me.
Take a sword. Take two.
These 3 things are enough. Or not, as the case may be. And they leave 75 of my gifts should I not return.
Do not leave them here, for you know how it is with me. I'll be forced to steal them and desert you.
Have a little courage, Mr. Mackay.
Godspeed, fear not. Ah, lovely. Ah, lovely. A little courage, Mr. Mackay.
Hello, there's only half here. Where's the rest of me? That's more like it. Now, how about a game?
Why not? I have all night.
Yes, all night! Can you play Skittles?
I'll try.
You try. You better have. These are definitely not my legs. Too short by half. You better win, precious, or you'll find yourself half the man you were. What size legs are those?
I don't know.
No gout, corns, blisters, foot rot. Oh, good. I could do with those. Me first, I reckon. Eight! Not bad on ballowed legs. Bowl well, precious. Careful, you don't want them pegs damaged.
You won't mind, sir. But your ball's not smooth enough for me. No, sir! I swapped a little courage for a little cunning, that's all.
Now, look at me.
Oh, very well, my friend. But it doesn't help me with the shuddering.
Lovely. Ah, lovely.
Fear not, for lack of a fright, settles down for the night. But what's this? Mr. Mackay?
Oh, mister. Is it all up with you? So cold. You were my first and only friend. My friend, and now so cold.
Let me warm you a little.
That's better. See, have I not warmed you?
Fearnot. Fearnot.
Come nearer, demon, and I'll cut off your head, and then there'll be 3 parts to marry.
What?
I know it's not you.
It is me.
Dead again, are you?
No.
Come closer.
Please, I'm terrified. I came with my little courage to find you, and it's quite used up.
How many gifts did I leave?
Well, I only counted 74 to begin with, and I ate 2, well, 2.5, but there's still plenty.
What's the name of my true love?
Well, how can I know if you don't?
Then it is you.
But of course it's me.
And you came in to find me?
It's my lot. I try to break the mold and be decent, and I get a knife with.
Shut up and come here and hug me.
No.
But hug him he did, and full of glee they searched the castle from top to toe. And behind the farthest door of the highest floor they found a room. And in that room was gold. Such golden as they might have thrown it out of the window for a week and still be swamped. And they shared it half and half, and a bit for luck. And never have 2 men danced more nor merrier. And from a distance, you would have seen the castle shake off its grey drab and sunbathe.
So he never learned to shudder?
Well, the fact of the matter is that Fearnot asked such questions of the tinker all the way home. Why haven't I learned to shudder? What can I tell my father, and so on? And the tinker pointed to their gold and said, are there not sufficient riches that you must be frightened as well? And so they went on, Fearnot complaining of fearing not, him muttering, until they arrived at last at the gate of Fearnot's house.
We must say goodbye then.
You must meet my family.
No, families don't like me.
Of course they will. You're my friend. You must come in.
As me dear old mother used to say, leave them while they want you to stay. No, thank you.
What's this for?
You must give that to your father.
That's right. For I have not learned to shudder. Goodbye, Mr. Mackay.
Goodbye, friend.
It's you, at last! Come quick, come quick! She swoons since you've gone. Nothing will revive her.
I don't know her name.
Lydia.
Lydia. Lydia.
Look. Would you look at that?
My sweetheart.
What's happening?
Lydia, you've done it. Tell me what. You taught me. I've been so far, so long, and all it needed was the thought of losing you to teach me what fear was. I shuddered. I shuddered. I shuddered!
And so the boy who set forth to learn what fear was, learned it at home. And he married his sweetheart with her name and all, and never left again. Mr. Mackay told me that story a long time ago when I was very young, and I didn't know the half of it.